Hello students, let's try to understand the pure substances student. That too I have selected from the Akash NEET book student. So pure substance as per the word you can be able to understand student. There will be not a mixer, right? Okay, simple composition will be there. So that is pure substance has fixed composition and their constituent cannot be separated by simple physical method. So pure substance have fixed composition and their constituent particles cannot be separated by simple physical method. These properties do not vary like copper, silver, water, carbon dioxide, etc. All these have the same constituent and they do not be or they cannot be separated by physical method. Also take the case of glucose. It contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in a fixed ratio that cannot be separated. So they are, if they are not separated, components cannot be separated, so they are known as what? Pure substance. Pure substance can be classified into elements and compounds. Pure substance can be classified into elements and compound. An element in a pure substance which is made up of one kind of particles called atoms or molecule, sodium, copper, silver, etc. But some of the different element also different in nature due to different number of protons, electron and neutron, which leads to different properties. So that also you have to keep in mind student, that is pure substance can be classified into the element and compounds, right? An element in a pure substance which is made up of one kind of particles called atoms, molecules, sodium, copper, silver, etc. are the pure substance. But atoms of different element are differ in nature due to different number of protons, electron and neutron, which lead to different properties. Let's have some more example. Some elements such as sodium or copper contain single atom, monoatomic, held together as their constituent particles, whether in the some others or two or more atom combined to give respectively diatomic or polyatomic molecule of the element. Some common diatomic molecules are H2, O2, CO, N2, F2, Cl2, etc. They all are the pure. So atoms of different elements, hydrogen atom, another atom of hydrogen, hydrogen molecules, right? Similarly, an element atom of chlorine, another atom of chlorine, chlorine molecules. Similarly, this is oxygen. A simple representation of atoms and molecule. When two or more atom of different elements combine in fixed proportions by mass, then molecule of compound is formed H2O, CO2, NaCl, NH3, sugar, etc. Example water. H2O is compound made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, chemically combined in a fixed proportion 1:8 by mass. Similarly, in a carbon and oxygen chemically combine in the fixed proportion 3:8 by mass, right? This fixed and definite ratio is a characteristics of particular compound. When a compound is formed, the constituent elements lose their properties, or we can say that the properties of compound are different from those of the its constituent element. So they are basically what the pure substances students. Okay, for example, hydrogen is combustible substance and burned with the pop-up sound, and oxygen is a supporter of combustion, but water, which is compound of hydrogen and oxygen, is neither combustible nor the supporter of the combustion. Rather, it is used for fire extinguisher. Also, hydrogen and oxygen gases, whereas water is a liquid. Unlike mixture, the constituent of the compound cannot be separated into simple substance by physical method. Considered a compound of iron, sulfur, example iron sulfide is there, FeS2, also called iron pyrite. It is a magnet, is brought near to sample of iron disulfide compound. The iron does not separate from sulfur, so constituent of the compound cannot be separated by physical method, but they can be separated by chemical method or electricity. Example, molten magnesium chloride can be broken down into its constituent elements, magnesium, chlorine gas passing electricity. So this is what is the our pure substances student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.